aboard the Wonder Wagon. 4 minutes, 8 quick answers. Let's roll.
Blech. Why does ocean water taste salty?
Rain washes salt off rocks. Rivers carry it to the sea. Water evaporates. Salt stays. So oceans keep getting saltier.
Got it? Rocky soup. Trees went bald.
Less sunlight in winter means no food making, so trees rest. They drop leaves to save energy until spring sun returns.
Tree pajamas. Nice. Sorry, why do yawns happen?
Big gulp of air cools our busy brains. See?
Now I yawn too.
Contagious.
Does the moon have a lamp?
Nope. Just sunlight bouncing off it. Like this mirror.
Moon equals giant night reflector. Cool.
Raindrops act like tiny prisms. Sunlight bends, splits into 7 colors. VIBGYOR.
Best slide ever.
Dust tickles nose. Sneeze blasts air 100 miles per hour to clear it. Achoo!
Nose cannon. I'm blind?
Eyes need light bouncing off things. Darkness equals no bounce. Wait, torch.
Aha, bounce back.
Diaphragm gets twitchy. Jerks air into voice box. Hic. Hold your breath.
Cured. Next soda.
Easy, hicking. 8 facts, 1 magical ride.
Salty seas, sleepy trees, yawns, moon, rainbow, sneeze, darkness, hiccups. Science rules. Join Kids Corner family for more laughs.
Bye.
Subscribe for the next adventure.